Got our head put back together. We have it all painted. So when we put the back on, we checked our everything here, so the mouth's working properly. Now we want to put our wig piece on. And we're going to use this red fun fur for this. So we're going to center it on here. Enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. There we go. So we're going to get the wig all stapled down. Now if you have to make repairs, then what you have to do is take the wig off, undo the staples, unscrew these 2 screws on each side, and then you can take this back out if you have to get inside to make some kind of a repair. So we'll get this put together. These are the hands we're going to use for the body. So we'll get that put together, and then we'll move on to the next step. Thanks for watching.